Welcome back to 90 Cars, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, covering everything from stock classics to the most extreme modified builds. Today, we're diving into a modern modified 2025 Toyota MR2 Spyder, a machine that blends lightweight agility with cutting-edge upgrades, making it one of the most thrilling mid-engine sports cars on the road. The 2025 Toyota MR2 Spyder has been reimagined with an aggressive aerodynamic kit, giving it a wider, lower stance. A fully custom carbon fiber front bumper with large air intakes improves cooling and downforce, while the sculpted hood features functional vents to release heat from the engine bay. The side profile is enhanced with extended side skirts that seamlessly flow into widened rear fenders, housing a staggered wheel setup. At the rear, a massive adjustable GT wing increases high-speed stability, working alongside a functional rear diffuser that optimizes airflow and reduces drag. The taillights have been redesigned with modern LED technology, giving the car a futuristic yet classic appeal. Rolling on lightweight forged aluminium wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, this MR2 is built for both street and track use. The suspension has been completely overhauled with fully adjustable coilovers, allowing for precise tuning of ride height and stiffness. Upgraded sway bars and strut braces improve chassis rigidity, enhancing cornering capabilities. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring massive 6-piston Brembo calipers up front and 4-piston calipers in the rear, paired with drilled and slotted rotors for maximum stopping power. A custom hydraulic handbrake has been integrated for those who enjoy controlled slides on tight corners. Underneath, the chassis has been reinforced with additional bracing to handle the increased power output. A titanium exhaust system not only reduces weight but also produces a raw, high-pitched note that complements the car's aggressive personality. The exhaust system is paired with high-flow catalytic converters and a valved muffler setup, allowing the driver to switch between a quiet cruise and an all-out race mode. Inside, the cabin has been transformed into a driver-focused cockpit. The factory seats have been replaced with lightweight carbon fiber racing buckets, wrapped in Alcantara with contrast stitching. A quick-release Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel provides better grip and control, while a digital race cluster displays vital performance data in real time. The center console has been modernized with a custom touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, seamlessly integrated into the minimalist dash. A roll cage has been installed for added safety, doubling as a structural enhancement for improved handling. Powering this beast is a completely reworked turbocharged 2.0 liters inline-4 engine, producing over 400 horsepower. The upgraded turbocharger, larger intercooler, and high-flow fuel injectors ensure blistering acceleration while maintaining reliability. A custom EQ-tune optimizes power delivery, allowing for razor-sharp throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. The 6-speed manual transmission has been reinforced with a short throw shifter and a lightweight flywheel for rapid gear changes. A limited slip differential ensures maximum traction, putting every bit of power to the pavement with precision. This 2025 Toyota MR2 Spyder is the perfect blend of classic mid-engine dynamics and modern performance enhancements, creating a machine that feels alive on the road and track. Whether carving through mountain roads or dominating the circuit, this build embodies the spirit of driving purity. Don't forget to subscribe to 90 Cars for more of the latest automotive updates, reviews, and builds. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.